Hello my dear students, welcome to Maths Academy by DG. Myself Govindrao, Senior Lecturer in Mathematics. Today we are going to start the application of integrals. This is actually lecture number 2. Yes, we have completed the lecture number 1 in the application of integrals. So now we are going to start the lecture number 2 in the application of integral chapter. So see students, we have completed the example 1. So now we are going to start in this class example 2. Find the area enclosed by the ellipse. Yes. So now, friends, see the ellipse is actually x square by a square plus y square by b square is equal to 1. Means we can see here the major axis along the x axis and the minor axis along the y axis about the given ellipse. Okay. That's why I am taking the diagram about this ellipse. This is actually a diagram about the ellipse. So now, after here the major axis is actually, that is the x axis is the major axis about the ellipse and the y axis is the minor axis. Okay. So actually again see this is the x square by a square means the ellipse which is going to cut the x axis at a and a dash, actually the coordinates of a point a comma 0 and this is the minus a comma 0, and similarly y square by b square is nothing but we are writing here what b of 0 comma b and b dash of 0 comma minus b. Okay. So now student observe here, by taking this diagram actually we can draw the two strips. Yes, there are the two possibilities are having to draw the strips. One is we are going to draw the strip is here, that strip is actually vertical strip and which is parallel to the y axis, and the second strip also we can draw, that is the parallel to x axis, means that is the horizontal strip. Okay. So now in this method actually we can say this method is method number 1. Okay. Now in this method we can consider the strip as a vertical strip. Yes. So please friends, suppose if you are not subscribed to our channel still, please subscribe to our channel, like, share to your friends also. Okay. Because of all the friends they can get the more concept through these videos. Okay. So now observe friends, so now we are going to start the solution about this. Actually the area enclosed by the ellipse. Okay. So now we can write here area enclosed by ellipse. What is the part that is actually a dash, b dash, a, b, a dash, or simply we can start with a, b, a dash, yes, and b dash again a. Yes, this is the part or not? We are finding the area of this part. See students, we are finding the area of this total ellipse is equal to, simply we can write 4 into yes, area of which one? So we are taking here O, A, B, O. Yes, O, A, B, O. Over once again, we are finding the area of in the only first quadrant students. So we are multiplying with 4 means so all the parts we can cover the enclosed area of the ellipse. O, A, B, O. Over. So now observe 4 into yes. We are finding the area of only this part. Okay. If you are finding the area of only this one, just I will take one of the diagram, that is the part in the first quadrant only. Yes, this is actually present in the first quadrant. Student, by observing this, if you are finding the area of this only this part, okay, we are drawing the strip is a vertical strip. Yes, say that is the dx and this length is y. Okay, so we are finding the area in only first quadrant. Actually, first quadrant which is start with what? Y axis, that's why it is directly what? X is equal to 0. Yes, equation of y axis is what? X is equal to 0. And after here we are finding the area of this curve, the curve which is going to cut the x axis, which point? That is actually a. Yes, what is the coordinates of a point, that is small a comma 0. That's why whatever the vertical line we are drawing through the vertex a, then definitely the equation of that line is definitely x is equal to what? A. Means we can see here, आप लोग अगर नहीं दिख रहा तो यहाँ पे लिखता हूँ मैं. Yes, now observe, so you are able to understand. So x is equal to 0 is the, now we can say x is equal to 0 is the lower limit and x is equal to a is the upper limit. For whom? Just we are taking in the first quadrant. Yes, that's why we can start integration x is equal to 0 to x is equal to a, because of this is the lower limit and this is what? Upper limit. In only first quadrant we are taking students. See, this is the diagram we are taking separately to understand what is we are going to give the explanation. Yes, and multiply y into dx, that is the y into dx only. Yes friends, now after that 4 into what is y actually, so we have to take the ellipse. Yes, x square by a square plus y square by b square. You can write this part again in the solution part about this example 2. Otherwise you can take roughly here, no problem how you are taking that. So but finally you have to get the y in the left hand side. Yes, send this one right hand side, y square by b square is equal to 1 minus x square by a square over. So by taking the LCM actually, that will be the a square is the LCM. Yes, multiply with 1, so a square minus x square. Now y square by b square, yes, over. So send the b square on right hand side, y square is equal to this b square which is multiplied with total part, that is the finally b square by a square into we got a square minus x square. But students remember, we are not going to get the y square, we have to get the y. Yes, and one more thing, whatever the y we will be get from this, that is present in the first quadrant. Yes, the y we are taking in which quadrant? First quadrant, means that is the positive only. Yes, that's why just I will do the, yes, I will remove this one part because which is not necessary for us. So now see, by sending this square on right hand side plus or minus under root of b square by a square means square root cancel b by a, and under root of a square minus x square, actually we got the y this one. And one more thing, we are taking the y in which quadrant? First quadrant. So we have to write actually here y is positive in first quadrant. Yes, that's why we are writing here integration 0 to a. Please all of you write down, this is the part again in the fair notes only. Yes, in the fair part this is not enough work. Okay, next what is the y actually? We got here y is equal to b by a. Yes, we are not taking plus or minus, b by a into under root of a square minus x square into dx over b by a in under root of a square minus x square into dx. Completed. So students, we know that how to apply the formula for this. B by a, it is a constant. Yes or no? B by a, it is a constant. Now we are applying again formula integration root of a square minus x square. Please all of you write down after here. Do first. Students, complete this one please. Yes, just I will do the rough this part. That's what I'm telling. Please copy it. Over. Yes, completed students. See after this, yes. After this, we can apply the formula here. 4 into, yes, 4 into, yes, b by a is again outside constant. So we are applying the integration 0 to a root of a square minus x square dx. Now 4b by a. Now apply the formula integration of root of a square minus x square. We know that formula in the example 1 also we use that x by a means x by 2 into under root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of x by a over. Yes, this one only na. Now the lower limit is 0, upper limit is what? A. 4 into b by a. Yes. Apply the upper limit. Yes, we are applying the upper limit where it is the x is prime, there we have to substitute the a. Okay, so a by 2 into root of a square minus x square plus a square by 2 into sine inverse of a by a over. Next minus of, yes, lower limit is what actually it is 0, substitute in place of x is 0, so 0 by 2, this total but actually 0. Yes or no beta? Next a square by 2 again this is the 0. Yes, because of sine inverse of 0 is 0. Next 4b by a. Next one is a by 2 into, yes, this is again 0, no need to write this one, and a square by 2, this is gets cancelled, sine inverse of 1. 1 is nothing but actually what? Sine 90 is 1 by sine 90 is 1 or not? Okay, over. So just we have to do the little bit simplification again for this one, but the space is not enough for us to complete the solution. Yes friends, so just I will do here. Completed na? So see, Now I am writing here the continuation of this one 4b by a into finally we got here a square by 2 into pi by 2. Yes or no? So actually 2 to here 4 gets cancelled, a ones cancelled. So actually we got here pi into ab. Yes, this is the solution. We got the solution is what? Pi into ab. Yes or no? So all of you complete up to here. Yes, do first. Complete this one. I will remove this total part. Again we have to start the method number 2 because of by taking the vertical strips only we are going to complete the solution here. Yes, by taking the vertical strips. Okay, suppose I am taking the horizontal strips here. Okay, again we will get the different solution for means the solution is same. We will be get the one more solution. Okay, again that solution is what? Equal to pi into ab only. Means finally we can say by taking the vertical yes or horizontal strips we will get the same answer. And students, you can apply the any method, either you are taking the vertical strips or horizontal strips in the example 1 and example 2. So same answer will be get, that is here. Okay, so just I am going to rub this one. Are we completed this? So may I rub this one? Yes. Now see students, I am going to rub this total part actually. Yes, first we can draw the diagram. This is the method number 2. Method number 1 is over. Method number 2 now, which is going to start from here. So the diagram is actually same diagram will be there. No changes in the diagrams also. So see, but whatever the strips we are going to draw here, that strip will be changes. Or see students, this is the O, A, yes again B, A dash, B dash. Or so we know that this is again what? A comma 0, this is minus A comma 0, and this is 0 comma B, and this is 0 comma minus B. Or so now we are taking the strips, and actually here the strips will be yes horizontal strips, means this is the parallel to x axis, length is x, and this is the dy. Or so just we are going to do the shaded part in the first quadrant only. Yes. So now students see, in this whatever the part we are taking here, actually the lower limit will be y is equal to 0. Yes, lower limit is what? Y is equal to 0, and the upper limit is whatever the b point is there na, in that the y coordinate. So that is the y coordinate is here, actually y is equal to b. Or so lower limit is y is equal to 0 and upper limit is y is equal to b. So just now we have taken here in the method number 1, that is the lower limit is x is equal to 0, upper limit is x is equal to a. There is a little bit changes in this. Okay, so now friends see, so area same process again. Yes, OABO. Yes, we are finding the area of this one and we are multiplying with 4, means we will get the total area. Yes, so now 4 into integration, lower limit is what? Yes, lower limit is y is equal to, not x is equal to this one, y is equal to 0, upper limit is what beta? Upper limit is y is equal to b. Okay, so what we have tried? Multiply length of the strip into width. Yes, that is the x into dy. Yeah, or next I am writing here 4 into integration 0 to b, integration 0 to b. What is the x actually? Again you people have to take, this is the part. Okay, from this you have to take the x. Yes or no? So do you know how to take the x? Just I am taking the roughly for this one x. We require the x square na. Yes, send this one right hand side. Finally, so directly I am taking, because of just now we have completed in the method number 1 how to take the y. So similarly in place of x I am writing the, in place of y I am replacing the x, that's all. So x square is equal to, finally we get here what? So a square by b square into b square minus y square, that's all. By sending this square and right hand side under root of. So directly we can write here a by b. Yes, a by b, what is the x? A by b into under root of b square minus y square, over into it will be what? Dy. Okay, done. So after completion of this one, no need to write this one again and again, because of in the method number 1 we wrote this. Yes. After completion of this one, take the a by b and outside. So now I am writing here clearly 4 into a by b. Yes, integration 0 to b root of b square minus y square into dy. Or so now after taking this, you have tried, just changes will be there. In place of a we are writing the b, in place of b is a. Yes, over. And but by applying the formula here, in place of y we are write the x, in place of x in the before one we are going to just replacing the y. Means see, there is a not x y, again this is the y over yes. So lower limit is 0, upper limit is b. Apply the upper limit. So how we can apply the upper limit means in place of y we are writing the b. That's all. This is the a and this is the b. Again this is the a, this is the b. Or okay, are you able to see up to here? Next one, upper limit is b na. Just apply the upper limit in place of y is b. So this will be actually just I will do the total part here. Just I will drop this one. फिर से आप लोग कंफ्यूज हो जाएंगे. Yes. Next 4 into ab by a by b. Yes. Next formula is y by yes y by 2 under root of b square minus y square plus b square by 2 into sin inverse of yes sin inverse of y by b. Or lower limit is 0, upper limit is b. Or next one 4 into a by b into in place of b we are writing the b means that is the b by 2 into root of b square minus b square again. Next b square by 2 into sin inverse of I am writing the b by d. Yes, and no need to apply the lower limit, that is the finally 0 because of this part is 0 and this one is 0. Yes, 4 into a by b, b by no need to write this one again, this total part is 0. Yes, b square minus b square, yes or no, 0. So next one is what, b square by 2 gets cancelled. When we can write the sign is getting the result is 1 means at pi by 2. Yes, next final result is 4 into a by b. So we will get from this b square by 2 into this is the pi by 2. Yes, so where b once gets cancelled, yes, again 4 also gets cancelled. So we got the result is again what, last step, that is the pi into ab. Yes, we got the final result is what, pi into ab. So students see, very important. Yes, so this is the example 2. So in the before class we have completed the example 1 and this class we have completed the example 2. Okay, whatever the questions are there, I am going to cover the method number 1 and method number 2. Which method you people are going to interest? Okay, please take that method, no problem. Yes, but be thorough, be practice. Okay, because of we will get the 3 marks question and 5 marks question from this chapter, and only 2 exercises are there. So majorly by observing the previous year questions from the first exercise only we are getting the 3 marks question. So student, don't be lose the 3 marks question. Thank you for watching today's class.